Hey there! What if I told you that your endless hours of scrolling through travel photos, dog memes, and latte art on Instagram could actually make you money? Yup, it's time to turn that double-tap hobby into a full-fledged income stream. But before we dive into the how, let me hit you with some facts. Instagram has over 2 billion monthly active users, and more than 80% of them use it to discover products and services. Translation: Instagram is basically a digital goldmine, and you're sitting on a shovel. Wait a sec! If you're not subscribed, you're basically saying no to easy wins. Smash that subscribe button and let's level up together. 1. Become an influencer. Let's address the obvious. You can become an influencer. No, you don't need millions of followers. Micro-influencers, with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, are in high demand by brands because they have loyal, engaged audiences. Humor hook. Basically, you can turn your avocado toast obsession into a brand partnership. How's that for a side hustle? Pro tip. Start by partnering with small brands in your niche. Apps like Aspire IQ and Tribe connect influencers with businesses looking for collaborations. 2. Leverage affiliate marketing. Not a fan of high-sponsored posts? Try affiliate marketing instead. Share links to products you love and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Example. Say you're obsessed with skincare. Post a glowing review of your favorite serum. Drop an affiliate link in your bio and let the cash flow in while everyone else gets glowing skin. Pro tip. Use Instagram stories with swipe-up links or stickers to make it super easy for your followers to shop. 3. Sell your own products. Got something to sell? Instagram is the ultimate marketplace. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital art, or online courses, you can use Instagram to showcase and sell your products. Fun take. Remember that time you made DIY candles and everyone said, "You should sell these"? Well, they were right. Actionable tip. Set up an Instagram shop so followers can buy directly from your profile. It's like having a 24/7 storefront. 4. Offer services. Are you a photographer, graphic designer, or fitness coach? Instagram doubles as your portfolio. Post your work, use hashtags to attract clients, and watch your inbox fill up with inquiries. Humor hook. Just don't forget to answer your DMs. Nobody likes a ghosted potential client. Pro tip. Create highlights with testimonials or before and after results to build credibility. 5. Monetize your content with subscriptions. Instagram now offers subscriptions. If you create premium content, you can charge your followers for exclusive access. This works well for behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, or personalized advice. Example. Imagine charging $5 a month to show your followers how you make those viral reels. Now your creativity is paying off, literally. 6. Host paid live events. Instagram Live isn't just for Q&As. Use it to host paid events like workshops, classes, or exclusive chats. Your followers can join for a fee, and you can deliver value right from your couch. Humor angle. Think of it as a virtual stage where you're the star, and they're paying for the front row seats. 7. Partner with brands for UGC. Not comfortable being the face of a brand? No problem. Create user-generated content, UGC, for brands instead. This means you create content, like photos or videos, that brands use on their profiles, not yours. Fun hook. Basically, you get paid to take Instagram-worthy pics without worrying about hashtags or captions. Sign me up. Pro tip. Tag your best UGC samples with hashtag UGC Creator to get noticed by brands. And there you have it, 7 smart ways to make money with Instagram. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just someone with a smartphone and a dream, there's a path for you to profit. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Are you going to keep scrolling, or are you going to start earning? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more ways to grow your income online. Drop your Instagram niche in the comments. I'd love to hear your money-making plans. Let's turn those posts into paychecks.